The following presentation will be another title side of EAS scenario. Then turn down the volume as the next scene will be very loud. Watch at your own risk. This is a video. This is our first back returning mega scenario. Another warning. Please do not be fooled. It's just a video that we want to present to you. Do not make fun videos out of EAS scenario. Then, another warning, keep your volume down as this will be a jump scare incoming. Then, another warning, do not be angry. It's just another EAS scenario that want to present. Then, another warning, this video will be our activation of the emergency alert system. Viewer discretion is advised. Hello, welcome to my another mega scenario, and today I presented to you my back returning of EAS scenario, my mega scenario, and today I presented to you is Tom Friends attack and major severe weather outbreak in Nashville, Tennessee. So we haven't did this one yet, so yeah, we're gonna do it once. Alright? So we're here in Nashville. So this is our first time that we haven't go right here. Alright, so let's set the time for 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. It's a beautiful evening across the city. So once after you come back from the Country Music Hall of Fame and Museum, like after taking a bus trip and a bridge tour picture, you go back to the hotel back in Brentwood, Tennessee. So you watch on the news as we currently have some snow band across Nashville. Look interesting. Then look on your iPad. So we have cracks right there. One of them has lines right there. Signs right there. One there, down there. On the other side, on the top where the Lego has shot the glass right there, which is not good. So the tablet is made of glass. I think, yes, it is made of glass. Then any yellow light substance has released out there so the paper can help us block it. So here is 596 and 100 coins. That's very cool. But suddenly a soccer game has been reported in downtown Nashville. And Hank got hold by the soccer ball. That's interesting. Something I never won. Jump scare incoming. This is not only thing is the location, like good thing. So good thing Hank, Ben, and Tom got food today. So yeah. This is not the major one. Nope. Oh, I guess shower has been reported somewhere across the city of Nashville. 2 minutes later. The following mission is transmitted at request of the Nashville Police Department. A hostage situation is currently taking place at Nissan Stadium in East Nashville, Tennessee. At approximately 4:14 p.m. Central Standard Time, a shower has been reported in the stadium, opening fire in the stadium, roaming around the stadium, taking 1,000 people attending the Nashville Titans. They're threatening to kill the friends, and they're currently doing another attack across the downtown one. If the defense are not met, due to the severity of the situation, Nissan Stadium will be closed until further notice. No one's entering the stadium area unless the friends is currently eliminated. All residents within the 2-3 mile radius of Nashville, like Nissan Stadium, are strongly advised to stay away from the stadium and remain indoors at this time. If any showers is currently near your area, call 911 or the Nashville Police Department 614-936-584-069. In addition, Becca, Tom, Ben, and Hank got food today. Please tune the local station for news information whenever it becomes available. Great. We have a shower reported in Nissan Stadium during the Titans football game. Interesting. But suddenly, a medical has been reported. Alright. Oh, medicals? That's not. That's weird. Where is it heading now? Music City Center? Oh my. Alright. 1 minute later. The following mission is transmitted at request of the Nashville Police Department. A hostage situation is currently taking place at Music City Center in Music Venue in Nashville, Tennessee. At approximately 4:16 p.m. Central Standard Time, a medical with a hiccup has been reported in the music venue, opening fire in the center, roaming around the Music City, and taking 170 people hostage. They're threatening to kill the people if the defense are not met. Some medical has been reported a hiccup, but dizziness has not updated because dizziness is not confirmed. Due to this, Music City Center will be evacuated in closing until further notice. All residents within a 3-mile radius of Music City Center are advised to stay away from the center and remain indoors at this time. In addition, the Country Music Hall of Fame and Museum will be currently locked in until further notice. Please tune to local station for news information for the latest dangerous situation. So now what? A medical with a hiccup has been reported in Music City Center. That's cool, interesting. All right, so let's go to the news in Nashville, the TV station we're gonna go to. Right. Let's go to WTVF. Meanwhile, on WTVF, This is News, Channel 5, serving the Nashville area. We have currently breaking news coming out of Music City Center and the Nissan Stadium. Reports are coming in that the shower has been reported in Nissan Stadium, and then a shower reported in Nissan Stadium, and then a medical reported in the Music City Center. That's why we have a breaking news coming out of Nashville, Tennessee. There's also reports are coming in that medical has been reporting hiccups across the center due to the severity of the situation, asking all residents within both 3-mile radius of Nissan Stadium and Music City Center, wherever you are, find a shelter immediately. Live here in downtown Nashville is my correspondent, Hank. Hank, are you there? I'm living here in downtown Nashville. We're mainly quiet since people got a local area and law enforcement warning in their cell phones are currently aware of the situation. Even though Becca, Hank, Tom, and Ben got food today at the last few minutes, there are many reports that showers reported there is all over the but across Nissan Stadium. Then showers reported hiccups across the Music City Center. Also, after a hiccup, they affect people by just hicking up closer. Then 1 minute later, they transform and got more hiccups across the downtown Nashville area. This is News Channel 5 with Hank. Back over to you. Thank you, Hank. In other news, Thanksgiving weekend will be coming on the next few weeks. Thanksgiving break will be beginning on the day, and Thanksgiving special will be on November 24th, and people celebrated Thanksgiving on a holiday. Then, Doffer radar, check on the weather, says we have a snow reported in Nashville, Tennessee, which is approximately 1 to 2 inches. This is why also reported a snow across the Midwest and the northeastern United States. This is News Channel 5, serving the Nashville area. We now switch to regular programming. 3 minutes later, a description has been given to the police, but the name of the friend has not identified. The following message is transmitted at request of the Nashville Police Department. A hostage situation is currently taking place at Bridgestone Arena during a hockey team. As of 4:22 p.m. Central Standard Time, a showers and medical is reported in the arena, opening fire across the Bridgestone Arena building, roaming around the arena, taking at least 900 people attending the hockey game. They're threatening to kill the hostage and planning a attack across the downtown area if the defense are not met. This is a dangerous situation and will be taken seriously. All residents within a 2-mile radius of Bridgestone Arena are advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked. In addition, Bridgestone Arena will be evacuated and closed until further notice, and the rest of the ice hockey game is currently postponed in a later week. If any showers or medicals enter your home, use arm protection by all means. This includes lethal force. Please tune the local station for news information whenever it becomes available. That's not right. Okay, about 10 minutes later. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Nashville Police Department. A hostage situation is currently taking place at Nashville International Airport in the city of Nashville. As of 4:24 p.m. Central Standard Time, showers and medicals reported in the airport, leaving a arena and taking on Interstate 40 towards Nashville International Airport, exiting the highway and towards the airport, and opening fire in the airport, roaming around it, and taking 200 people across the airport. Also, showers and medicals reported using a bomb and currently exploding an airplane upcoming flight before departing. Due to this very upset situation, Nashville International Airport will be closed until further notice. In addition, a description of the friend has now given to the police. The first friend is Angela. It is a white cat of blue eyes, also last seen wearing a closing honesty and green ribbon on top of her head. Also, Hank has a football uniform as a part of the as a part yeah as a part of Chris of the football game soccer ball game. Next, Ginger is a yellow cat with a snowman suit and a snowman beanie. This cloth right here, meaning that Christmas is coming. If any showers or medicals enters your home, use your protection belongings. This includes super force. No friends has been not identified yet. Please tune the local station for news information that whenever it becomes available. Alright, we have a showers and medicals in Nashville International Airport. Interesting. Alright. 5 minutes later. The following message is transmitted at request of the Nashville Police Department. A hostage situation is currently taking place at Walk of Fame Park and the Music of City Walk of Fame and the Nashville Music Garden in the city of Nashville. As of now, 4:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, a showers and medical has left the airport, taking Interstate 40 back towards downtown Nashville, exiting the highway, and then take U.S. Route 41, 41A, 70S, and Tennessee Route 11, then making a circle towards Korean Veterans Boulevard and turn left on Rep. Johns Lewis Way South. Then turn right, then straight ahead on, turn right on Demon Run Street, then exit out of the car, then opening fire on the park, roaming around the park, and taking 35 people hostage. They're threatening killing people if the demands are not met. Also, this friend right here have been confirmed to be Angela and Ginger, are identified as a showers and medicals reported in Nissan Stadium and Music City Center. Angela is a white cat of blue eyes and has a bow on top, like we have a cozy honesty and a green ribbon on top of her head. And Ginger believes be a yellow cat with blue eyes again, but a snowman beanie and a snowman suit. Also, this clothes right here believes that that the holidays will be coming, Christmas. Due to this very situation, also, our friends Angelo and Ginger have roaming around Nashville, downtown Nashville, attacking and killing anyone who in his path. All residents within a 2-mile radius of Walk of Fame Park and the city of Nashville are strongly advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked to prevent Angela or Ginger from entering your home. If Angela or Ginger enters your home, yours are protection by all means. This includes your force. Please tune the local station for news information when it becomes available. Alright, so we have a hostage here in the Walk of Fame Park, Music City Walk of Fame Park, and now including Nashville Music Garden. Oh, that's not right. A few minutes later, Angela and Ginger have now turned into food. An administrative message from the Nashville Police Department. Ginger and Angela, the identity that are causing a hostage reported in all areas across the city of Nashville, including Nissan Stadium, Music City Center, Nashville International Airport, Nashville Music Garden, Music City Walk of Fame Park, and Bridgestone Arena have now turned into food and residents may enter your shelters. However, there's damage across the city. The National Guard is on the way to rescue people from damaged shelters. If your shelter is damaged or destroyed, call 911 and the National Guard, if possible, take you to a military base. All broadcast and cable systems are allowed to resume regular programming. Emergency broadcasts will be now handled over state local officials. Repeating, Angela and Ginger have now turned into food and residents may enter their shelters. The Nashville Police Department thank you for cooperation during this emergency. Great. So Angela and Ginger have now turned into food? Yay. But suddenly, a line of thunderstorm like a major thunderstorm have now entering the area across the Nashville area. Alright, let's get started. Tornado emergency for Clarksville. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Montgomery County until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time and 4:37 p.m. Central Standard Time. A confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over near Clarksville and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Clarksville. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Check over now. Hazard. Deadly tornado. Source. Radar confirmed tornado. Impact. Unit of life-threatening situation. Flying debris would be dangerous if those caught without shelter. Mobile homes to be destroyed. Consider damaged homes, businesses, and vehicles as likely and complete destruction as possible. Location and patch include Clarksville, Woodlawn, Palmyra, Cunningham, Southside, St. Bethlehem. To repeat, a large and extreme dangerous and potentially deadly tornadoes on the ground. To protect your life, take over now. Move to Nashville on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're in a mobile home or vehicles are outdoors, move to the close-up substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Alert and extreme dangerous tornadoes on the ground. To take warning precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee, Montgomery. Great. And now we have a 20-year emergency for Clarksville in Montgomery County. That's not good at all. Alright. Next up. Next county. '20-year emergency for Columbia, Tennessee. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a 20-24 Maury County in Middle Tennessee until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:44 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Mount Pleasant City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. 20-year emergency for Columbia, Tennessee. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Check over now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: you're in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris would be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes should be destroyed. Consider damaged homes, businesses, and vehicles as likely and complete destruction as possible. Location: Patch and Coot, Columbia, Mount Pleasant, and Spring Hill. To repeat, a large and extreme dangers and potentially deadly tornadoes on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or in G-view on the lower shore of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're mobile home or vehicles are outdoors, move with the close of substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extreme dangerous tornadoes on the ground. Take your tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee, Maury. Now we have another 20-year emergency now extended to Columbia. That's not good. So now, let's go to Rutherford County. It's part of the city of Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Meanwhile, in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, large tornado underground heading near over Lavringy. 20 emergency for Murfreesboro. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a 20-24 Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:48 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Laverne and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. 20-year emergency for Murfreesboro. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Check over now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: you're in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris would be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Consider damaged homes, businesses, and vehicles as likely and complete destruction as possible. Location: Patch and Coot, Murfreesboro, La Verge, Sierra, Walter Hill, Eagleville. To repeat, a large and extreme dangerous and potentially deadly tornadoes on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or in G-view on the lower floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're at home or vehicles are outdoors, Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extreme dangerous tornadoes underground. Take 20 precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee. Rutherford. Great. Now we have a now we have another tornado emergency have now confirmed to be in the city of Murfreesboro. That's not good. Alright. Now it's heading towards Williamson County, which is also part of the Franklin area. It's also part of the Nashville metropolitan area, just a few miles away. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Williamson County, Middle Tennessee, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fairview, moving east-southeast at 25 miles per hour. This is a dangerous storm. Hazard: 80 mile per hour wind gusts and golf ball size hail. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: you're in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris would be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Consider damaged homes, businesses, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage is likely. Location in Patton Cood, Franklin, Brentwood, Nashville, Thompson Station, and Fairview. To repeat, this is the disruptive storms. Take cover now. For your protection, move to and shield you on the lower shore of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee. Williamson. So now we have a severe thunderstorm like the dangerous thunderstorms heading towards Williamson County, including Franklin. This could get any more worse soon. Right? So Davidson County would be last. Would be our last, like 20 emergency for Nashville would be last after other counties. Alright, now we're gonna go to Dixon County. Meanwhile, in Dixon County, the National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dixon County in Middle Tennessee until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 20 miles southeast of Charlotte, or 20 miles southeast of Dixon, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 mile per hour wind gusts and tennis ball size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles expected. Considered wind damage. Damage is also likely mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Location in Patton Cood, Charlotte, Dixon. Burns, Brown Hill, White Bluff, Vanier, and Sladen. For your protection, move and shield on the lowest shore of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee. Dixon. Great. So now we have a severe thunderstorm warning now extended towards Dixon and Charlotte. That's could make the situation worse. Now, let's go to Chenham County is part of also the Nashville metropolitan area. Meanwhile, in Chenham County, the National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Chenham County in Middle Tennessee until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:57 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over north of east of Ashland City, moving east at 25 30 mile 40 mile per hour. Hazard confirmed tornado, damaging tornado. Source radar confirmed tornado. Impact flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Location patch include Ashland City, Pleasant View, Background, and Kingston Springs. To repeat, a confirmed tornadoes on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or a G room on the lower floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're in a mobile home or vehicles are outdoors, move to a close sensor shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Chenham. So now we have a severe tornado warning has now extended towards Ashland City. Interesting. Alright, let's go to Robeson County, which is part of the Springfield area. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Robeson County in Middle Tennessee until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable producing a tornado was located over near Adams, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard tornado. Source radar indicated rotation. Impact flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Location patch include Springfield, Waterhouse, Cross Plains, Orinda, Adams, Southern Hill, Ridgetop, Greenbrier, Goodlettsville, Jonestown, and Cooperstown. Check over now. Move to a basement or a G room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If your mobile home or vehicles are outdoors, move with a close of substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Robertson. So now a tornado warning, confirmed to be the EF1 tornado, have now confirmed to be in the city of Springfield. Yep. Until then, a large and violent tornado is making it on its way towards the capital state, the capital city, Nashville. Meanwhile, here in Davidson County, Large and violent tornado on the ground heading towards near Gelatin. This is a tornado emergency for Nashville, Tennessee. This is a particular mass casualty situation. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Davidson County, Middle Tennessee until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:01 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large, violent, and extreme dangerous tornado was located over Gelatin, or near 3 miles southeast of Whites Creek, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Nashville. This is a dangerous situation. Check cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar extreme large and deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you're in a life-threatening situation. Flying through will be deadly those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Consider damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles as likely and complete destruction as possible. Location: Patchen Code, Nashville, Berry Hill, Oak Hill, Bellamede, Forest Hills, Kentucky, Hermitage, Lakewood, Madison, Gillettsville, Gelatin, and Whites Creek. To repeat, a large and extreme danger and potentially violent tornado on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to interior on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're in a mobile home or vehicles are outdoors, move to the closest essential shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extreme dangerous and violent tornado on the ground. Take the 20 precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Davidson. Oh my God! And now we have a large and violent tornado on the ground. It's now heading towards Nashville, the capital city of Tennessee. All right. Meanwhile, in Wilson County, part of the I don't know what city is sitting in Tennessee. Oh, so this is Lebanon, and while the largest city is Mount Juliet. This is also part of the Nashville, Davidson, Murfreesboro, Franklin metropolitan statistical area. Meanwhile, in Wilson County, large tornado on the ground near Mount Juliet. Tornado emergency for Lebanon and Mount Juliet. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Wilson County in Middle Tennessee until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:04 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Nashville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Lebanon and Mount Juliet. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. At 5:05 p.m., massive damage to devastation to catastrophic damage has been reported in downtown Nashville. Flying debris has been reported all across the city of Nashville. Cars, buildings, and other stuff has destroyed. Has wiped out for their foundations. At 5:07 p.m., the National Weather Service Delta radar have confirmed this tornado is actually approximately 2 miles wide and across the city of Nashville. Then, a tornado has been weakening and now confirmed to be 1.5 miles wide. Impact: you're in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Consider damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles as likely and complete destruction as possible. location patch includes Lebanon, Mount Juliet, Forktown, Centerville, Gladville, Vine, Watertown, and Greenville. To repeat, a large and extreme dangerous and potentially deadly tornadoes on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior on the lower floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're in a mobile home or vehicles are outdoors, move to the closest residential shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extreme dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take the 20 precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Wilson, great. And now we have a large tornado on the ground after hitting Nashville, now as weakening to 1.5 miles, now heading towards Lebanon and Mount Juliet. That's not good. Just 2.5 hours later. The following message is transmitted at request of the Middle Tennessee Governor State of Tennessee and the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency. Catastrophic damage has been reported in several major cities across this Middle Tennessee area. Also, major severe weather outbreak has been reported all across the state of Tennessee. And a large and violent tornado on the ground hit Nashville was a EF5 tornado. Catastrophic damage has been reported, and the Cumberland River has been reported water spouts across Nashville. In addition, devastation has been reported across the downtown area. The entire capital state, the city of Nashville, is completely obliterated. Also, the other large tornado that hit several major cities, including Clarksville, and Lebanon, Mount Juliet, and almost the other city is a EF4 tornado. Due to the severity of the situation, all residents within the city of Nashville, including the state of Tennessee, are strongly advised to stay indoors for the rest of tonight. Also, if a mobile home or home is destroyed in many ways, the emergency shelter has been opened up in Nashville, Mamsizo Authorium. Tune the local station for news information for the latest, or the NOAA Weather Radio for the latest dangerous situation. So now we have alright, but now a large tornado will be reported in Cookeville. Meanwhile, in Putnam County, tornado emergency for Cookeville. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Putnam County in Middle Tennessee until 6 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed 4 miles east of Baxter, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Cookeville. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly if those caught without shelter. Mobile homes should be destroyed. Consider damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles as likely and complete destruction as possible. Location patch include Cookville, Alwood, Backstar, and Montreat. To repeat, a large and extreme dangerous and potentially deadly tornadoes on the ground. To protect your life, take over now. Build GNC on the lowest shore of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're at home or vehicles are outdoors, move to closest essential shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large, extreme dangerous tornadoes on the ground. Take out the 20 precautions. This is an emergency situation.